What the hey?
What's he doing?
Probably something smart. Pigs are smart.
Pigs are not smart.
Apparently, they're as intelligent as dolphins. Advantage, dolphin.
He's gonna knock himself out.
that's using your head.
How many times is he gonna try that?
Pigs out!
I told you pigs are
That's
smart.
gonna leave a mark.
Oh, look, Bits, Pig's out.
Sure is out of his mind.
How about you walk a little fast?
Wait your turn.
Wait, Fern, come back!
Just run! Run, pig! Be free! I would if I could.
Retreat! Retreat!
Don't retreat, pig. Giddy up.
No, not the smokehouse. Is he looking? Yeah, he's seen it.
Think he knows what it is?
Of course not. He's the spring pig. He doesn't know anything. Yeah, pig.
Don't fall for it. You're out. And you're backy.
There you go, Piggy. Atta boy, eat it up.
Sold out for slop. I'd been to the county line by now.
He'd have made it if you'd just let me talk.
Made it to where? He's a pig!
Sorry I made such a fuss. Your suggestions were really good, but I think I'd better stay here. Fern's gonna be back soon anyway.
He's as stupid as a stick, poor thing. Did we speak to him? Certainly not. Oh, certainly not.
Sweetheart, it sounded almost like you said you'd run and be free if you could.
I meant if I were a pig. You know what happens to pigs around here.
Yes, I do. And it should never, ever be spoken of.
I'm gonna miss you today. See you when I get back, okay? All right, I gotta go, okay? See you later. Goodbye, Fern. Hurry back. Hi. My name's Wilbur. Anyone want to play? Anyone? It's raining, you know. And you know what you get with rain?
Lightning, typhoons, cholera, dysentery, frizzy hair, that sad feeling.
No, good.
What the heck is he doing now?
Anyone want to join me? Come on, let's go.
Let's go!
Let's not. How many times must I tell you? Just because we're sheep, it doesn't mean we have to follow. Think for yourselves.
Yourself, quite right. No. Yourself.
Oh, myself.
Hey, kid, this is a barn. We don't play, we work. Some of us, anyway.
Some of us? Are you implying, Ike, that we don't work? Because we work bloody hard, thank you.
Hard? You grow hair.
Grow hair. Good one. Excuse me.
Oh, and is that your contribution to society, you gassy ribeyes?
Filthy hairball.
Ribeyes?
Dirty lip ball. I'll sip it.
They're at it again.
It's really slippery. That's the fun part.
Oh, little itty-bitty pig, could you come here, please? You said your name is Wilbur, right?
That's right. What's your name?
Gussie.
Gussie. Great name.
Thank you, Wilbur. Now, you're so cute and pink, but you're wasting your time. These animals won't play.
What about you?
Me? Well, I have to stay on my eggs.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Otherwise, of course, I'd love to play.
So why can't you play?
Because what's good for the goose is good for the gander.
What about the rest of you? Don't any of you like to play?
Can't play on 3 empty stomachs.
Oh, well, for us, you know, there's this whole smell of wet wool business. Ghastly.
See, I'm afraid it's just not a play kind of place.
But you're all friends, right?
Oh, sure. We've been here together our whole lives.
I'm not so sure being in the same place is the same as being friends.